Zishiye ubutyobo izantyalantyala zitshabalalise izindlu ezingaphaya kwekhulu. Abantu abathengisa esitratweni abasindanga nabo. Amafama nawo achaphazelekile. Olu sapho lulahlekelwe into yonke yalo kwaze konzakala amalungu alo amathathu.
I was bathing. Then I go to my mom's room to fetch a comb. So when I returned back to my room, the wind wasn't good. I ran back to see what's happening on my mom's room. I saw that the rain was coming. Yes, so I took the refuse bag to cover my bed's mom. When I cover it, the wind blew the roof up, then down again. Then when I blew it for the second time, I don't know what happened.
Ezinye zentsapho ezichaphazelekileyo zithi urhulumente usolule isandla kubo wanceda apho akwazi ukunceda khona kodwa nangona kunjalo banxunguphele.
I'm not feeling happy about this situation because now I don't have anything.
Urhulumente wephondo laseMpumalanga uthi abukaziwa ubuzaza bomonakalo owenziwe zizantyalantyala.
We have discovered that, like you said, houses were blown. It's about 110 of them. And out of the 110, 3 of them were severely damaged. And one of them is the one where we are now. You actually dispatched a team that is going to come with the collapsible houses as from tomorrow.
Okwangoku akukabikwa ziganeko zokusweleka kwabantu.